Here we are with a new question, question number 02 in the playlist of Python Hackerrank. The link for this question you can find in the description. Let's get started. So what this question is saying, let's go to that question, and it says task, given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. So this question is of if else. It says these things are already present. If in case you want to remove it, good to go. If in case you want to let it be there, that's okay. But let's figure out what this question is saying. If n is odd, print weird. Is it weird? Weird? Oh, okay, it's weird. So let's see what is the condition of checking if a number is even or odd. Okay. So very first, what we have to do is we have to write if, though n is already the input which we have over here, we are going to work with the same thing. If n modulus 2 equal to 0. So in this case, we are checking n modulus 2, which is n divided by 2 is giving us what as the remainder. So we are checking on that thing. If remainder is equal to 0 divided by 2, so that number is actually even. Else, the number is actually odd. Okay. And here we have to check if the number is even or odd. So we have understood the condition for even and odd. So let's go and write that quickly. If n modulus 2 not equal to 0. So that is the first condition, right? If it is equal to 0, it's even. But if it is not equal to 0, it's odd. We have to print what? We have to simply print whatever it says, capital W-E-I-R-D, weird. Okay, that's good. And if it is even, and in the range and all of those things, that is something which we are going to do later. But okay, so we have to print weird when it is odd. Okay, we have to print weird even if it is even, but in the range of 6 to 20. Okay, this question is a bit tricky. We have to use multiple if conditions over here. Okay, so first condition is done. Let's come out, put if n modulus 2 equal to 0, this is the condition for even, and the second condition, and is actually used to test more than one conditions altogether. So second condition is even if it is even and in the range of 6 to 20, and n, and which is inclusive, greater than equal to 6 and n less than equal to 20. If n modulus 2 equal to 0 and n is greater than equal to 6 and this is less than 20, then we have to print what? We have to print it's weird. Okay, yes. So we have to print weird. Okay. Then n is even and greater than 20, print not weird, and n is even. All these three conditions we are going to put it in one line because we have to print not weird, and we have to also check with even. So let's go ahead and write the third condition. If n modulus 2 equal to 0, that is the condition for basically the and then we are going to check if it is in the range of 2 to 25. Okay, n greater than equal to 2 and n less than equal to 5. Third condition is bit weird. So if in case you want to include here, we have to use or, but yeah, I don't want to confuse you. So let's go ahead and write that separately. In this case, we are going to print not weird. Okay. The same condition I'm going to copy for the last one. If n is even and n is actually greater than 20. If it is greater than 20, we have to do what? Print not weird. Okay, seems good. Let's run the code. Processing, and we got one test case wrong, which is definitely the spelling, I guess. Yes, I'm very bad at the spellings. VEIRD. Okay, seems good. Processing, both the sample test cases got passed. Let's click on submit. And two cases are still running. Finger crossed. Okay, fetching the result. Congratulations. So we have successfully done this question. I'll just explain this question again. So the very first condition says if it is odd, so n modulus 2 not equal to 0. So we have to print what? We have to print weird. Now this could be done in much more lesser number of lines, but yeah, in order to understand this, I have broken this into like 4 if conditions. Second condition says if it is okay, let's go for weird only. Second condition we have written for weird again. If it is even, so we have checked n modulus 2 equal to 0, and at the same time it should be in the range 6 to 20. So n is greater than equal to 6 and n is less than equal to 20. So it is in the range 6 to 20. In that case also we have to print weird. Then for not weird, it should be even and in the range of 2 to 5. Okay, checked. It is even in the range of 2 to 5. Print not weird. If it is even and greater than 20, then again print not weird. Question done. Congratulations. See you in the next question.